day po sir, my name is Kil Axel Cabrera, BSIT from IT 4M5. My subject is Information Assurance and Security 2 Lab, and this is my prelim exam. Yan, kita niyo po itong designer ko, may name ko po yan, name, and then yung rich text box, may pangalan ng RTP, IP address, next yung button 1, tapos yung text po yan, get server info, text box, text host name, ito pang label, host name, naligaw pang kulay yan. Tapos ito po yung code ko, yan. Explain ko pa kung paano siya nag-work. Simple explanation kung paano nag-work po yung program ko. User input, the user types IP address or host name into text box or txt host name, yung pinangalan ko po dun sa may text box. Tapos clicking the button, when the user clicks the button, the program checks if the text box empty. If it's empty, it shows an error message asking user to enter something. Yun nga po, pag mali yung IP address or kahit ano yung nilagay mo, lalabas yung error, ganun. Tapos next po, getting host information. If the user has entered something, the program tries more info about that IP address host name using the DNS get host entry function. Ayun nga po, pag nag-type ka ng IP address ng isang computer or kahit anong website, phone pa yan, mga ganun, makukuha mo po yung mga information nila, like ito, like itong local system information, yung operating system, machine name, login user domain, system directory, processor count, net framework version, current directory, and is64-bit OS. Ayun po lahat ng pwede kong makuha information sa isang computer or basta yung pinagkuhaan mo po ng IP address. Next.
Napagdaraw ka. Mukhang nangingis mo na yata ako. Hayop kayo napapayari sa akin.
Ito po yung next. I-run na po natin yung program. Mag-CMD muna po tayo, command prompt. Tapos alamin po natin yung IP address, ayun, IP config. Tapos yan, ito pong IPv4 address, itong 192.168.4.131. kakopy ko po yan. Tapos ipipaste ko po dito sa text box. Tapos get server info, yan, lumabas po yung information ng computer na pinagtypan ko ng IP address, yan. Tapos ito po yan, yan, ito yung code. Tapos ito po yung result. Simple lang pero at least napalabas ko po yung kailangan kong palabasin. Yan. Yan. Ayun na po sir. Thank you so much po. Good day po ulit. Maraming pong salamat.